Zanu PF Bigwigs ignore Mnangagwa. The 4th of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent, senior Zanu PF members are increasingly snubbing President Emmerson Mnangagwa's official functions, in what analysts say is a visible sign of widening cracks and maneuvers in the party's succession battle. The latest incident was exposed in a strongly worded letter by Mashonaland West Provincial Chairperson Mary M. Liswichikoka, who expressed anger at the no-shows of members of Parliament and Central Committee officials during a key event attended by Mnangagwa last week. At the 21st Chinhoyi University of Technology, KUT, graduation ceremony, where Mnangagwa capped 3,130 graduands, only Women's Affairs Deputy Minister Jennifer M.H. Langa represented government at senior level. The absence of other top provincial leaders was widely interpreted as a silent act of defiance. What message are you sending when you deliberately absent yourselves from events graced by the first secretary of our party? M. Liswichikoka fumed. How can we take seriously those who campaign aggressively to attend the People's Conference, yet show no commitment to supporting the president's programs in their own province? She warned that persistent absenteeism would be treated as disloyalty and threatened to name and shame the culprits. Among those who ignored the KUT ceremony despite invitations were Central Committee and District Coordinating Committee members Phineas Macomb, Thomas Chidzamba, Christine Gwadi, Precious Masengo, Tapara Mtavido, Elisha Bikoro, Archie Ganizani, and Rudo Munianga. Only Politburo member Douglas Mamashora excused himself, citing government business. The boycott is part of a growing pattern. In Parliament, ministers and deputies have repeatedly skipped question and answer sessions, prompting reprimands from both the National Assembly and Senate. Observers say the absences mirror deeper fissures in Zanu PF, as rival factions jostle for succession ahead of the party's next elective Congress. One camp, aligned with Mnangagwa, is pushing to extend his tenure beyond the constitutional two-term limit, through either constitutional amendments or suspending future elections. Another camp, loyal to Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, is quietly mobilizing for his elevation to State House. Adding complexity is businessman KUTYA Tagwari, who is increasingly seen as a potential kingmaker with the financial clout to tilt the balance in the succession race. Insiders say the latest silent boycott in Chinhoyi signals a coup in slow motion, a calculated display of resistance within Zanu PF. As the 2028 elections draw closer, Mnangagwa's political survival could depend less on formal power and more on whether his party heavyweights continue showing up at his side.